How to recover deleted draft video on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can recover your draft video that you have deleted. Well, if you open up TikTok and you head into your profile by tapping on profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be headed into your profile page here and you'll be able to find your drafts here. Right now, if you deleted one of these drafts mistakenly, then how can you get them back? If you tap and hold here, or if you just delete it and now you want them back, then how you can get it? Now unfortunately there is no any actual way to get the draft video back, but there is an option that you can try. On your profile, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you shall get an face like this. Tap on the very first option that says account. Once you tap on account, you can see that the option that says download your data, get a copy of your TikTok data. You want to tap on it and you want to request for your data. Once you request it, it might get some time to get you back. You want to come back here after a couple of hours and you want to check on the download data option. If your request has been provided, you'll be able to download it from here, and once you download it, you might be able to get it from there. So this is the way you can recover the latest draft video on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.